Buying a mountain bike can be a tricky business, especially when you are on a budget. There are a lot of different factors that you need to look at, not least of all the price, and this isn't a cheap hobby. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 7 cheap mountain bikes available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out the video description. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 7. Mongoose Malus Adult at $491. At first glance, the tires of this bike appear huge. As you watch it navigate through sandy and snowy roads with ease and bounce over embankments or boings off rocks, you will be impressed. Mongoose's Malus Fat Tire bike is the ideal bike for riders who just want to get out and explore. This fat tire bike features a steel mountain-style frame and suspension fork, 26 inches wheels with 4 inches fat tires, 7-speed twist shifters, front and rear mechanical disc brakes, and is available in multiple colors. A fun-to-ride mountain bike that will have you grinning from ear to ear, the Malus is an excellent addition to your stable collection of bikes. Number 6. Schwinn Mesa 2 Adult at $453. The Schwinn Mesa 2 MTB 27.5 inches is ready to take you wherever the trail may lead, be it unpaved roads or single track. If you're under 5 feet 6 inches, this bike is perfect for your small body type as it has a small mountain-tuned aluminum frame. This enables you to maneuver through any terrain, while its relaxed geometry offers confidence on rough trails. Another great feature is the Zoom HL 565 suspension fork that soaks up bumps in your path. Riders will appreciate how precise each shift feels thanks to Shimano Tourney 21-speed drivetrain partnered with easy fire shifters. They also have no trouble stopping even when conditions are less than ideal due to disc brakes providing on-demand stopping power every time they're needed. Number 5. ROYCE Union RMT at $367. Have you heard of ROYCE Union? ROYCE Union has been making precision-engineered bicycles for over 100 years. Their products are renowned for their performance, quality, and dependability in all types of riding conditions. This ROYCE Union RMT all-terrain mountain bike is a great choice for all levels of riders. Its hardtail frame is designed to be lightweight, durable, and reliable thanks to being made with 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum. The Shimano 21-speed drivetrain gives you smooth, comfortable gear changes. The Zoom suspension fork keeps you in control on the trail and gives your bike durability for years of enjoyment. At 27.5 inches wheel size, it also allows riders to cover more ground faster, which is a great benefit when biking through terrain that requires tricky maneuvering. If all these features are not convincing enough to make you buy one, how about the limited 10-year frame warranty that it comes with? This ensures that each purchase will last long enough to make back all its costs, while giving bikers peace of mind knowing they can rely on their bikes during tough rides. No more fear of it breaking under them unexpectedly or prematurely wearing out over time due to normal wear and tear issues typically associated with mountain biking equipment. Number 4. Vilano Blackjack at $349. The Vilano Blackjack 3.029er is a great starter mountain bike for anyone looking to get into the sport of mountain biking. The hardtail frame has a hand-built butted 6061 alloy construction, making it lightweight and durable. It comes with mechanical disc brakes and a suspension fork with lockout, so you can stop on a dime and control your ride. What really makes the difference on these trails are the 29 inches wheels. You just roll over everything once you give them a try. With its 17 inches frame size, it's suitable for riders up to 6 feet. This bike is built to last. Number 3. EUROBIKE 26-inch mountain bike at $309. EUROBIKE 26-inch folding mountain bike is a great choice for those who want to ride in the park, on the trail, or even through the city. What makes this MTB unique is the folding mechanism that makes it easy to carry and store away when not in use. This mountain bike features a 21-speed shifting system, which provides an efficient and effective way of moving in different terrains. With its double disc brake system, it improves rider safety and braking efficiency. The frame is made of aluminum alloy, which gives riders a lightweight yet durable feel. Its 26 inches wheel size provides a smooth and comfortable riding experience for riders between 5.5 feet and 5.9 feet. And with 3 colors to choose from, it is easy to match your style and personality. Number 2. ROYCE Union RTX Kids at $299. As we have mentioned, number 5. ROYCE Union manufactures highly reliable bikes, which is crucial if your kids are using them due to safety reasons. They have MTBs for boys in neon green, black, and girls in pink, ice blue. The ROYCE Union Kids RTX mountain bikes are perfect for children between the ages of 5 and 9 years old. They're designed to train young kids in riding skills while still being comfortable enough for them to ride on any terrain or path they choose. With dual front and rear suspension, kids can stay in control no matter how bumpy the trail gets. Plus, linear pull brakes are a great braking choice because they require little maintenance and give enough stopping power. If your child is looking to take on rippling hills with ease, the Shimano 6-Speed is ideal for learning how gearing works and providing a reliable and smooth ride. Number 1. Huffy Stone Mountain at $219. Huffy Stone is an entry-level mountain bike made for female riders on a tight budget, but still wanting to explore some light trails. The level of components is basic, to say the least, but if you are thinking of getting a bike to get you from A to B through thick and thin, there's enough to go around. The best thing about the bike is the set of 26 inches wheels on a small frame, which is great to navigate technical areas more easily for shorter riders. Then there is also the suspension fork that adds weight to the bike but also greatly improves comfort. The basic 3x7 drivetrain offers 21 speeds, which will be enough for all types of climbs you might encounter in your area. On top of that, the steel frame is comfortable and durable, but a major downside is the V-brakes, which is an outdated piece of equipment on modern mountain bikes. But then again, for less than $300, this is still a solid everyday beater. Get the Huffy Stone female mountain bike if you're a beginner rider looking to have fun riding on gravel roads, light trails, and bike paths. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.